Hello, welcome back Ramesh YouTube channel. So today we will discuss another topic. The topic will be related SEO. SEO. So I have selected as a randomly just on the way of my last video, and right now I was discussing lots of with the topic regarding SEO on Google, and that's why that's why I have seen this topic, and that's why I selected this topic. And I know that this topic is very useful for you because if you are working in digital marketing industry, so this topic will be it should be useful for you because if I am working in digital marketing, so I so I can I will use I used that that kind of activity in my daily routine. So if I talk about my in daily life methods, I select this SEO uh, activity on the way of my is on the way of my experience. So that's why I was feeling last around 10 days ago. I wanted to I will I should make the video on this specific topic, and that's why I'm too confident, and I'm going to make the video on this specific topic right now. So I have the very important, very crucial, vital SEO question. So a question is if you can think as a question, you can think as a kind of activity which which we do as you every day in SEO industry. So the topic will be topic is top 5 SEO SEO Off Page activities right now. So if I talk about the SEO Off Page, so Off Page is basically what we do on different kind of different kind of a website, and but websites should be same needs. So this is the office basically. So we do lots of office activity by the help of content, and by the help of content. So we have the lots of kind of office activity which we do different kind of website. But I told you that website should be completely relatable, yeah, completely same niche. So I have so if I talk about the page activity, so we have lots of kind of page activity like classified image sharing, PDF submission, video sharing. So we have lots of page activity, but I selected only top 5 SEO activity right in this video, and I will share definitely at the end of the top 5 activity, and this activity should be usable right now, and should be actually I do that. I do same activity every day, same activity, and the activity will activity help to maintain my website ranking on the SERP page. So if I talk about the top 5 SEO activity, so before that, I would like to tell you another thing. I have the two plan right now, and I will add the definitely my YouTube channel in, in upcoming month. And the first one is that you know very well we have discussed lots of time each other. The SEO the plan is SEO SEO new, and second one, if I talk about the second one will be SEO course. So right now I'm thinking I will make the video on the SEO basic course, and I will do definitely please add it. So let's start from the top 5 SEO activity. The first one is guest post. So if I talk about the SEO guest posting activity, so we have two types of guest posting activity. First one is paid, and second one is unpaid. So so first of all, we will talk about the about the regard guest posting activity. So first of all, we have to find out the website same earnings, and after that we have to outreach by the help of mail या contact information, and the website have the mention everything on contact us page. So you can go on the contact us page and connect with them. And if I talk about the unpaid guest posting activity, so the website gives to access WordPress access, so we can put our content on the WordPress and get the link on the by the help of WordPress access. So that two activity actually give loads of boost to rank a website on the SERP page. So this is the two basically a guest post activity. So the first one is actually if due the extra age compared to second one before, we have to find out the same niche website, and after that we have to contact to them, and like by the help of mail, yeah, by the help of email, yeah, contact contact information. Basically, if I talk about the lots of company hire the people only for this profile out the have the outreach vacancy. So if you have the potential, yeah, if you have the caliber, you are looking the you want to become a want to become yourself good outreach a personal person. So you can get the master outreach activity, because outreach is not piece of cake. You have to find out the content, and after that you send the different kind of people, and they read your content. After that uh, they they give the permission and upload their website. So this is basically SEO, paid guest posting. And if I talk about the second activity, article submission. So article submission basically is a kind of activity which we do by the help of the another website, which we do by the help of the another website, but website should be our same needs. So if I talk about the lots of the article submission website, so you can find out that by the help of HRF, and you can do competition research and find out the article submission website. So this is the basically article submission activity, and we can we can get the backlink for those websites. So and it gives the boost our website rank on the CRP page. So if I talk about the another activity, blog post, so we have the blog post actually the same as usual article posting. So but we have the only one different blog. The when blog is defined the article. We cannot use name in the blog, but article define the particular company. Yeah, articles can be particular company, a particular niche, but blogs will only define the give the information, not for define that you cannot define that by specific company name. So this is a basic difference between article and blog. So if I talk about the third one, so we have the question and answer. So first of all, we have to find out the website, and after that we can start this activity, because we can find out the form submission website, and there are we have the lots of options. We have the lots of there are have the lots of questions, and first of all we can make the website our profile on those websites, and after that we can start to for Q&A. So Q&A basic question answer. You can find out the question should be your niche related, and after that you can start after 2 years, 1 year, 2 week ago, when you made your profile on those websites, and start your question and answer activity. But you have to find out the good website by the help of HRF, and you should you have to make sure the website have good domain authority, the spam score should be below 5. If I talk about the another activity, so we have the image submission basically. So image submission basically that's like if we have the lots of email regarding our business, so we can use this kind of activity. We have the lots of stuff regarding the image submission submission. So we can find out the we can first of all we have to make the profile on those websites. After that we can submit our image on those websites. It give the it will get we can get the backlink by the help of those websites, and it will give most the our website rank on the SERP page. So this basically top 5 SEO page activity. So we have done lots of SEO activity. And if I talk about another type of SEO activity, but this activity gives the little age compared to my top 5 activity. So if I talk about the different kind of activity, so we have classified PDF submission, video sharing, and form submission, and we have the uh, another kind of activity. You can search by that you so you can, if you want to know more about this specific topic, so you can search on SEO on the search engine tab, and find out the good reason. So this basically office activity. So if I talk about the why we do an office in SEO digital marketing, because I know we know that the on page is a one time process. We cannot do one every day on page, because we can optimize our website on page only 1 or 2 days. But if I talk about the off page activity or off page work, this is a everyday work. We cannot uh, leave any day. Yeah, we cannot cheat any day in the whole week. So that's why the OP is very useful for us, and because sometimes the client asks directly how many backlink you are creating right now. So that's why we have to find out the good website, and that's why we can do OP. OP basically give the boost our website rank on the CRP page. And if you are not doing if you are not doing OPS, so might be your website will be rank will be can be down. So if you want to make the your if you want to your if you want to your website maintain on the SERP page, so you have to do off page activity. I know that, so that's why I told you on page is basically we can do only one time. We cannot do every day on page, because we can. If I talk about the on page only, I'm giving example. If I talk about the title, so we can optimize title only one time. We cannot write the title every day. So that's why I am saying you the on page basically we can do what we do on on one day. If I talk about the office, so office actually we do every day in a week. But sometimes we have to do in on Saturday or Sunday, because sometimes when our website rank we, go down went down, so we have to do off-page activity to get the better get the a good rank on the SERP page. So so if I so this is if I so I'm telling, I have told you the basic difference between on page and off page. And if I talk about the plan, so I already told you because I have the good plan, and it will add, and so that will be add in upcoming month. I think I'm thinking right now I will add one is as September and second one is October. It might be taken up, the second one is the November, but one the first one will be had but first one will be add definitely in October, September. We will discuss definitely regarding the SEO news every month, and after that we can start the second one. But so right now I'm thinking I want to make the another list the list will be related, completely related to SEO course, basic understanding what I have and I want to share to everyone, because if I know if I know that, so I that's why I want to make the another list to specific list for, in my YouTube channel, and that list will be related completely SEO basic course. So that's all in this video. If you have any question, please put your question in the comment box. I will make the video definitely on your specific question. If you have any query, so please put your query in the comment box. I will make sure that the problem will be not repeat again. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe this channel. If you want to become a good digital marketer, so please follow this channel. I will share. I share every day in 3 video in a week that will completely related to digital marketing.